good, consistent stroke. Mapa free throw line, mapa 3-point line. Pare-pareho tira dito. Jonathan Fernandez. Two for two for Jonathan Fernandez. Ang naman sa apat. Ang lamang ng Harbor Center, 44-40. And there's the foul on Al Vergara. Penalty na rin. Itong Harbor Center, Batang Pier.
Al Vergara, mayroon na niya na hindi masyado maganda yung kanyang pagkakapal doon.
Al Vergara.
Magiging problema niya, talagang medyo abangan na ng mga referee si Al, no? Because of the dirty, or the very hard foul that he gave Juan Maki Escalona earlier. There's one guy na kailangan pumutok para dito kay Coach Luis Trillo. Hindi pwedeng kapusin ito si Ariel Capos dito sa game na to. I think that's just his second point. And talk about Coach Luigi Trillo, the original, ano?
Yan, oo.
Huh?
They're all here to support Coach Luigi.
Boss Waki.
And even Mr. Paulo Trillo, I think, is somewhere here. I saw him kanina somewhere.
Ba't hindi nagyaya sa Piyama yan?
Mamaya, pupunta tayo.
Ayos yan. Kasama ba mga direktor? Kasama mga direktor?
Yayain din natin. Yayain natin kung sino rin mananalo dito. Azoro from the outside. Here's Fernandez for three. Specialty of the house.
Walang planong gumimik to mamayang gabi. Jonathan Fernandez. What a stroke. Back to a 6-point lead for Harbor.
6 points in the game for Jonathan Fernandez. As Escalona, behind the back to Ken Bono. Bono with a floater. Medyo wala sa forma. Yung tira ni Ken Bono. Al Vergara lobs it up. And that will end the first half, mga kaibigan, dito sa game number 1 in our 2007 PBL Unity Cup final round. A 6-point lead for Harbor Center, 47-41. At sa aming pagbalik pala, mga kaibigan, ipipinta namin kung ano nangyari sa first half in our halftime. We'll be back after these.